声中，请容我们提醒您，红海科技日活动即将正式开始，请大家。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our Hon Hai Technology Day 2022 will begin very shortly. Please remain seated. And please also turn off your cell phone or switch your cell phone mode to silent mode. Thank you very much for your cooperation. We will begin very shortly.
Greetings to our international friends. Thank you for connecting into the 3rd annual Hon Hai Tech Day. Today is a celebration. Foxconn is showing off its 4th and 5th concept prototype EVs, the first made in Taiwan pickup and a sporty crossover hatchback. Commercial production is happening this year for our award-winning urban electric bus and a family SUV. Our lineup of 5 EVs in the past 24 months is to show our customers and future customers that we can design and build EVs that are good-looking and can stand up to safety. With the open EV platform, MIH, we are opening up the closed-loop nature of traditional automaking. We are leveraging Foxconn's 48-year-old roots in ICT manufacturing, which is about openness, cross-border collaboration, and division of labor. By doing this, Foxconn has cut in half the design time and reduced development cost by 1/3 in taking an EV from concept to production ready. Foxconn is not in the business of selling its own EV brand, but yes, we want our customers to sell a lot of EVs. Pre-orders for Luxgen N7, based on the last year's Model C, hit 15,000 units in less than 2 days. On this exciting ride, Yulong Motor is our customer. Our commitment is to our customers. Foxconn is your reliable and trusted partner in manufacturing and design. Another collaboration is Foxconn's work with Italy's Pininfarina. The design of the Model B this year and last year's Model E is their gorgeous creative flair. This is the same legendary design shop that has created some of the best-known classic, iconic Italian cars. We are building the EV ecosystems with focus on time to market and time to cost. Foxconn is a total solutions provider in EVs. From design to build, we have the capabilities. Foxconn is a bespoke solutions provider in EVs. We're ramping up production in Ohio to realize the EV dreams of 4 unique customers. One of them is a tractor. Despite the challenges of conflict in Europe and COVID globally, Foxconn has maintained our EV strategy. Our build, operate, localize strategy is about developing regional manufacturing ecosystems. This benefits the communities they are happening in, whether it is in Thailand, India, and Indonesia. Supply chain resilience has always been Foxconn's DNA. Our global footprint in 24 countries gives us a huge advantage to meet EV industry demands. We are here to innovate for the good. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please welcome Chairman of Hon Hai Technology Group, Mr. Yang Liu, to give us a few words. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our distinguished guests, representatives of embassies in Taiwan, our investors, partners, friends from media, and also our Model C pre-order customers, and fans of our Hon Hai's official social media on Facebook. Welcome to the 2022 Hon Hai Technology Day. Since the year 2020, Hon Hai held its annual Technology Day on October 18th, with the purpose of showcasing the achievements of Hon Hai in the 3+3 industry and technology strategy. Today, our event will be divided into 3 major exhibitions: EV Conference and Critical Components Exhibition here on the 4th floor. As you can see, the exhibition that you passed through earlier, and our Hon Hai Research Institute on the 7th floor. It's our great honor to invite all our distinguished guests to join us at these 3 exhibitions and the past achievements of Hon Hai Research Institute for the past 2 years. Today is the 3rd annual Hon Hai Technology Day. I would like to take everyone to look at some of the highlights of our first Hon Hai Tech Day. It was when we released the AIM-IH Open Platform. After the release, people were probably wondering, is Hon Hai capable of manufacturing vehicles? Last year, on our 2nd Technology Day, we released 3 electric vehicles: Model C, Model E, and Model T. After the release of our 3 EVs, people were indeed very surprised by our skills and efforts. 3 cars in just 1 year of manufacturing? Well, this is the so-called Hon Hai speed. Ever since our successful launch of EVs last year, people no longer have a shred of doubt about Hon Hai's capabilities. On today's Technology Day, we will bring you 2 brand new EVs. The first EV is a very sleek, fashionable, urban-style crossover Model B. The second EV we will present to you is the very first electric pickup truck designed and manufactured in Taiwan, Model V. And of course, with everyone's breathless expectations, we have also officially launched Model C in mass production. You can ride it later today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hon Hai speed. As you can see, this car, Model C, that was opened for pre-orders by LuxGen last month, within 32 hours, we received more than 15,000 orders. We would like to thank everyone for your support to LuxGen. We increased the power of Model C from the original 400 horsepower to 460. It also has a strength of 0 to 100 acceleration in 3.8 seconds. As for our cruising range target, we are currently at 96%. We are very confident that we can reach to 700 kilometers of cruising range. Now, Model B, which is also a production of our EV Open platform, is a smart, dynamic electric vehicle that is specifically designed for a younger generation. It is a crossover that meets the need of an urban lifestyle. It has, at the same time, with the capability of 0 to 100 acceleration in 6.6 seconds. As you can see, this is our very first pickup that we have for the vertical integration of Hon Hai. We will also put these 3 cars into production in Taiwan, Thailand, and the US. At the moment, we are also negotiating further cooperation with Indonesia and India. We want to extend this model of BOL to all parts of the world. We believe that BOL will be able to achieve a win-win result in sustainability for all 3 partners, local countries, partners, and of course, Hon Hai Technology Group. As you can see, vertical integration is the core of Hon Hai DNA. Industries like electric vehicles that require a high degree of vertical integration are areas where Hon Hai can excel. This time, on top of just hardware assembly, we are also moving forward to provide solutions for EV design. This is what we call CDMS.
Design and Manufacturing Services.
In addition to that, we also provide vertical integration platform services in areas of EV electric systems, software, and also semiconductors. As we all know, Hon Hai has been in the semiconductor business for more than 10 years. In terms of silicon carbide, Hon Hai Technology Group has also established a very complete ecosystem. And so our clients no longer have to worry about the automobile semiconductor supply chain. But when we talk about electric vehicles, we have to mention batteries. We are actively developing a next-generation solid-state batteries to further improve battery safety, density, and also charging performance and speed. This will ultimately improve the safety of our electric vehicles and also with further cruising range. As we can see, this is going to be our very next trend, which is a software-defined system. And also MIH is also developed a CEV software platform, HHEVOS. Now, I would also like to talk further about MIH. It is committed to lowering the industry's barrier of entry and also to accelerate innovation and shorten the development timeline. Since we have established MIH for over 2 years, nearly 2,500 companies, 2,479 companies around the world have joined us. MIH will also hold its demo day on the 8th of next month, and it will announce its model plan for the first time. This will be an innovative cooperation model combining information and communication industry. Now, the establishment of the Hon Hai Research Institute is also a pioneering work, the core objective of getting Hon Hai prepared for future work. Hon Hai Research Institute will also showcase its research on the 7th floor today. We also sincerely invite everyone to join us today. Now, after listening to me, are you all excited and wanted to try all these innovative products yourself? But just a minute. One more thing. We also have a very special VIP guest with us here today. Let us welcome this very special guest with our warmest applause. Welcome our VIP.
贵宾、各位好朋友。
Ladies and
现在
gentlemen,
这位神秘嘉
now
宾
this
已经
VIP
亲
guest
自驾
is
乘
with
着
us
我们
right
的
now on
Model
the
B
stage,
来到
driving our
舞台
Model
上
B.
让我们以最热烈
Let
的
us
掌
please
声欢迎
welcome
鸿海科技集团创
Founder
办人
of Hon Hai
郭台铭
Technology
创办
Group,
人
Mr. Terry Guo.
各位贵宾、各位女士、各位
Distinguished
先
guests,
生、
ladies and
各位
gentlemen,
媒体的朋友们，
friends from media,
还有我们严大嫂的巨龙的严凯泰，这个严陈丽莲女董事
and also our president and principal from Yulong Motor Group. Good morning, everyone.
怎么样？这部车漂亮吗？
Do you think this car is beautiful?
我现在就想把它开回家。
I really want to drive it home right now.
这非常高兴哦，这个刘董事长
I am very
红
happy
海的科技日哦，
that Mr. Liu
摆在了我的生日这
has
一
really
天哦
spent so much time and effort
一同来举办哦，所以让我
and presented Hon Hai Technology Day on my
都有非
birthday.
常愉快的生
And
日，
therefore, I always had great birthdays on this very special day.
而且这个
And I also
非常
received
对台湾来讲
beautiful
有带有
gifts
这个领先型、指标型意义的
and
产品
also leading innovative products as my present for my birthday.
重要的礼物。
This is very meaningful to me. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you all and thank you, Chairman Liu. Thank you very much.
这个电动车产业呢
EV industry
是在台湾除了半导体工业以
in
外，
Taiwan
第二座对台湾未来
is very
工业转型
important
升级发
in
展
addition to
非常重要的
semiconductors.
产业。
It is a very
它有
critical
三个
industry
特
that we
性
have to look
第一个它
into.
的全球性，
First, it
第
is
二它
global.
的这个对这个电子产业，
It also plays a very important role to mechanical
第三个
engineering.
它的对台湾产业供
Also
应链的整合性，
It is
对
very
台湾
important to
都
the
是
overall
极具
integration of
这个
supply chain
未来
in
发展的
Taiwan.
前景。
This is a
尤其
leading
现在
innovation
时值
globally.
这个
It is going to be a global
这个
trend.
全球呢气候暖化，
Especially we're facing
这个
climate
气候
change
变
right
迁
now.
那么还有再加上这个油价的现在经济的这个
There's also uprise in the oil prices,
来自于很多来自于油价的高涨，
increased
那么
prices
再
in
来
oil
第三个
prices.
是每一个国家都需要发展自己的工业。
In situations
发
like
觉到
this,
现在世界
each
所有的
country
很多
needs
的
to
国家都
find
发觉到
its
实体工
technological
业
development.
是一个经济成长的一个
Innovative
硬指
technology
标
and
是一个
manufacturing
硬这个
is a very
代
important
表性
landmark for each country.
因为
It also
虚拟的经济
represents the
已经经过了
competitiveness
网络经
of
济
each
发展
country.
现在再来就要带动
With the
实体经济
development
的
of
发展，所
economy,
以实体的，就是说这个实体经济跟虚拟经济的结合
digital economy
实虚结合
and real
是未来
economy,
工业
the
的基础
integration of both
所以每个
will
国
set
家
the
都要发展自己
foundation
的工
for
业。所以
every
因为有这个
industry
特性，
in
所以
each
在台
country.
湾发展创新，
With this, in
发展这个
Taiwan, we have to grasp this opportunity to present our own innovative technology and designs, and also supply chain and vertical integration,
MIH 就应运而生。
and also, and this is why we have the creation of our MIH open platform.
鸿海在这个时
MIH
期
is a
我
platform.
们进入到了这个汽车电子汽车的行
At this
业。
very moment,
那么我们
we
的
are diving into
国际
electric
化
vehicle industry.
我们的这个
We will be more
创新的这个
globalized.
设计，
We will
以及
also be
我
more
们的
innovative
速
in
度
terms of
鸿海的速
design,
度
and also
我
the
想
Hon Hai
这样
speed.
可以代表台湾
All these together can really
藉由
represent
台湾所有的
Taiwan
工业展现在世
and
人
also
面前。
integrate industries in
最后
Taiwan
预祝
to move forward.
鸿海科技日
Now, I want
这
to
个
thank
顺利成功
and
最后
also
预祝
wish
鸿
Hon
海
Hai
的这个
Technology Day a great
制造的
success.
鸿海转型为
We started from
科技的红海
manufacturing,
一
but
切
now we're moving
圆
on
满
to a
顺利
technology
成
Hon
功
Hai.
谢谢。
I wish Hon Hai the best in
谢谢
everything.
创办
Thank you.
人我们感谢创办人的肯定、期许
Thank
以
you,
及祝
Founder
福。
Cole. Thank you for
而
your
刚刚
long-standing
创办人
support
所
and
驾乘
encouragement.
的就是我们的
As you can
Model
see,
B
the car that Founder
现
Cole
在
drove onto the
让我们
stage
再透过
was
影
our
片
exceptional
来
Model
再
B.
次欣赏
Now, may I please
Model
invite our
B
audiences to
Beautiful
enjoy
B
this
的
video
美丽
of
风
Model
采
B, Beautiful B with me. Thank you. Now let us please invite the Senior Engineer of Hon Hai Technology Group, Ms. Yang Shanghui, onto the stage to further introduce us Model B. Welcome, Ms. Yang.
大家好，
Hello, everyone.
我是 Model B 设计团队
I am
负责
Senior
内装的
Engineer
杨
of Hon Hai
祥慧
Technology Group, Ms.
欢迎
Yang
大家
Shanghui.
来参加红海科技日。
Thank you and welcome to Hon Hai
去年的
Technology
今
Day.
天，我们
Last year
发表了
today,
3台
we
原型车
released 3 prototype
造成
cars.
相当热烈的
They
回
were all
响，
very well
这给了我
received
们
with
很
great
多信心
responses.
也更
They gave
有
us a lot
使
of
命感的
confidence
想
and
将
drove us
最
to
好的
create a
成
sense
果
of
呈
mission
现给大
to
家。
present the best results to everyone.
越开放，
The
越
more
强大
open, the stronger
一直是
has
我们
always been a
秉持的
company
理念。
mission statement.
我们透过共同开发的
Through
力
the power
量，
of joint
展现了
development,
EV
we
开
have
放平台的
demonstrated the
优势。
advantages of EV
接
open
下来
platform.
我想和大家分享
Now,
我
I
们
would
这
like
一
to
年来
share
的
with
成
you
果
what。we have achieved this
不
past
知
year.
道大家有在路上看过 Model
I
T
don't
了
know
吗
if you have seen Model T on the road yet, but in
Model
March
T
of this
已经
year,
正式
Model
量产
T
上
has
市
been
了。
unveiled and
许多民
mass-produced.
众也已经亲自
People have
体
also
验过我
experienced
们
a sense
Model
of
T
smoothness
带
and
来的平
tranquility
稳与
that our
宁静
Model
感。
T brings.
同样的
Similarly,
Model C 自从原型车
since the
亮相
Model C
后
was unveiled,
很多人
people
就一
have
直
been
期待
looking
它
forward
量
to
产
its
版的实现。
mass production.
而在这一年中，
In the
我
past
们
year,
集众人之
we
力，
brought together
透
the
过与
first
客户的
mass-produced
共同开
electric
发
vehicle through a
推出
joint
了
venture
首
with our
款
customers.
量产电动车。而今年，
This year,
我们就以这个 Model C 的平
based
台为
on
基
the
础，
Model C
借由
platform,
平台尺寸的变化，
we have
以
successfully
及
launched a
全新
mainstream
的车身设
crosser
计
for our younger
接续
generation.
推出一台年轻世代主流的 crossover， 我们的全新
It has
原型
change
车
and platform
Model
size and
B.
new body design of Model B.
说到年轻世代，
When it
我
comes to
们
younger
是爱自
generation,
由不妥协
we
的，
love freedom
重视
and we are
实用
self-expressive
但
to
更
new
重于感
ideas.
觉。
We value
对车的需
practicality,
求
and
也
so
偏向
the
满
needs
足
for
自
cars
我的
also need to
专属感。
satisfy our own sense of
根据调查
exclusivity.
电动车市场
According to
以
the
年轻
survey,
族群接受
the
度最
EV
高
market is mostly accepted by
为什么
young
呢？
people. Why is
因
that?
为一般而言，
Because in
年轻
general,
人
young
有
people
更
have
高
a
的
higher
环保意
awareness
识
of environmental
还
protection.
有，因为电动车代表的是一种
EVs
新
also
潮
represent
前
trends
卫
and
的身份
technological
象征。
progress.
同时，那些充满科技感以及全新
The
的驾驶
promise of
体
a
验
new driving experience that
也正是我们
EV
想要
can
的。
bring is exactly what the younger generation
理
is
想
looking for.
是实际的需要，
Our
梦想
pursuits are
是内
derived
在的
from
渴望。
practical needs, and our
不可
dreams
否
come
认的
from our
是，
inner
每个
desires.
年轻人
It
也
is
都有一个
undeniable that
跑
every
车
young
梦。
person out there also has
如
a
果
sports
拥有
car
智能电
dream.
动车是一种理想，
If owning a smart
那
EV is a
何不为
pursuit of
它加上
happiness,
跑格的
then
梦
why
想
not
呢？
dream of an
因此
EV that has an
专为
appearance
都
of
会
sports
年
car?
轻族群而生的智能
Therefore,
跑
there is
格
this creation
crossover
of crossover Model
因而
B.
诞生。大家看
Take a look at it.
Model B
Quite eye-catching, isn't it?
科技感十足的
As you can see, the tech-savvy LED matrix headlights
性感的
and also the sexy rear wheel arc surface are all characterized by tension and speed, represents confidence and charm. If we look at the proportion of the body, we also increased the width and lowered the height of the car. It really created a very strong momentum. Model B's sleek look and also wind resistance function is in line with the current fashion trend. The car shape of Model B is also created with an aerodynamic design. The shape not only shows strength and beauty, but also make it an efficient EV in terms of energy consumption. As we can see here, the S-duct diversion design, which is only available in sports cars, enable the oncoming airflow to accelerate through. By following from the streamline of the roof shape to the rear spoiler, it really increases the stability of the car. In addition, the air curtain on the D-pillar not only reduces air turbulence, but it can also at the same time be customized, and therefore it will provide a more personalized choice of style for our drivers. The design to reduce air resistance also allow Model B's drag coefficient to reach to a value of 0.26. The exceptional wind resistance coefficient, along with the power of configuration of our open platform, can help achieve a cruising range of 450 kilometers. For an average office worker, whether it is commuting to or from work, or gather with friends, charging once a week is more than enough. Model B can also reach to 0 to 100 acceleration in 6.6 seconds. It will meet the needs of daily driving. Now let's take a look at the car's body size. This 4.3 meter small-scale model can not only travel freely in urban cities, it also allows drivers to park easily. The wheelbase can even reach to 2.8 meters, and thus created a very comfortable cockpit with a small yet comfortable space. Also, the back row space is comparable to that of a mid-sized SUV. With such a spacious space, having a comfortable road trip with your friends is not a problem, anytime, anywhere. After my introduction of the car shape and also the space of Model B, you must also be wondering what the interior design looked like. This inner space is self-exclusive because we want our drivers to always enjoy a quiet and comfortable driving experience. The inner design of Model B inherits a minimalist concept. In a world filled with technology, with this tech-savvy, streamlined design, we hope to integrate every single driver's rationality and sensibility. It will create a synergy that can only be seen when driving our EVs. When we enter the inner cabin, I believe everyone is attracted by this 15.6-inch screen in the middle. And integration of digital and physical instruments, providing a very new yet user-friendly experience. In addition to the center control screen in front of the driver, we have also designed an embedded small meter. So why is it a small meter then? Because we want to give you a large field of vision. This small meter can create a wide field of vision while providing important driving information. Also, our electronic rear view mirror screen also expands the driver's line of sight, presenting those blind spots. With such a smart center console, combined with hidden air outlets and also ambient lighting. And also, as you can see, exceptional red belt. It is in line with the trendiness that the young generation is looking for. Our Model B isn't just beautiful. We always say it's got a very smart mind. For instance, The core purpose of IoT and AI driving is to bring people a whole new driving experience that is much more convenient and safer. And therefore, these intelligent networking functions require a very powerful electronic and electrical architecture, which is what we call EEA. Our new generation of EEA platform adopts a centralized architecture and also reduce the number of ECUs. The length of the wiring harness is also shortened by more than 40% compared with the previous generation. What's more important is it can support the numerous applications in the cockpit, including the 5 screens and digital audio system embedded with 32 inner speakers. Also, it can endure more than 20 detectors to further really achieve the functionality of a smart EV. These functions that I just mentioned only need to be updated through the OTA cloud software, so you can automatically correct the problems or upgrade your systems without having the need to return to the manufacturing plant. It gives you experience of driving a new car all the time. And this is what we call a software-defined vehicle. Now, let's take a look at the several extended applications based on the EEA. The first is intelligent control driving mode that is different from the general driving mode. Through this powerful integration capability of EEA, the vehicle can immediately integrate the operation of various systems to provide the most appropriate dynamic feedback. We also made this into something that's even more visual, providing our driver a more intuitive sensory experience. Our interface design is also modularized with UI/UX planning. It is designed and combined with EEA's multi-screen support technology. It can be adapted to different sizes or quantities according to customer preferences. We also create a complete user experience and provide an interactive design that is both intuitive and aesthetic. People nowadays can go out without a wallet, but can they go out without a key? We have introduced the technology of an ultra-wideband digital key, which can operate and unlock functions remotely through the mobile app. It is also safer and with better security than general Bluetooth system. If your friend wants to borrow your car, the function of digital key sharing can easily allow your friend to pick up the car. What else and what other functions do they have? Let me demonstrate to you. When I walk up to Model B, it can accurately sense my position. But when I get a little closer, it will intelligently greet me according to my position, just like how your friend would normally greet you. Now, if I go or approach to the back of the car, the smart surface at the rear of the car will also perform a welcome display. Now, if I walk next to the door, the sensorless unlocking function will automatically pop open the door handle, just like how someone would normally greet you when you go home before you even walk out of the car. Lastly, I would like to ask you all a question. What is the most important thing when we drive? The answer is safety, of course. Yes, the most important thing for a car is safety, which includes structural safety and active EV safety. In terms of structural safety, we have made 3 major protection designs. The first design is the high-strength steel plate material and aluminum extrusion structure design, where we can create an exclusive body structure for EVs. Second, we adopt a design of force flow dispersion and energy absorption to further ensure the safety of our passengers. The third design we have is a multi-layer protection for our battery packs, which can eliminate the risk of thermal runaway. Because of these 3 major designs, together they can bring the driver a safer EV driving experience. Now, moving on to active EV safety. With EEA, we can quickly integrate ADAS and DMS across systems. Because we understand that when drivers rely too much on the ADAS function, they may be distracted and doze off easily. If that happens, the system will issue a warning sound to remind the drivers. Now, what if the driver has already fallen asleep and could not wake up? This time, the vehicle will automatically decelerate and slow down. The smart surface at the rear of the car will also warn the vehicles driving behind to avoid accidents. With so many advanced technologies introduced, Model B is indeed a car that is smart, safe, and sleek. Of course, in addition to Model B, our EV Open platform can also customize these smart technologies. We have gathered the world's most advanced technologies and resources to further demonstrate the power of joint venture. Our flexible cooperation model also enables car manufacturers to develop their own EV brands with a lower cost threshold. Pursuits are practical needs, and dreams are inner desires. If owning a smart electric vehicle is a pursuit of happiness, then Model B and our EV Open platform will be the answer to turning your future smart mobility dream into reality. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much, Ms. Sean. Now, Ms. Sean is getting back into their Model B to the point where we really want to yell bravo to her. Now we're going to introduce you another EV car of Hon Hai Technology Group, which is our Victory V Model V.
时间是用来提醒自己该走该停，走进自己的世界，享受安静片刻，来一趟全新旅程。握在手中才是最真实的感受。掌握自己的方向，每天带来全新的感动，是驱动你前进的力量。一个人的速度，一家人的温度，在光影间不停穿梭。满载美好的一切，驱动一段冒险旅程，让新旅程没有终点。Model V。
Ladies and gentlemen, right now we're seeing in front of you is our Model V. Let us please welcome UX engineer of our Hon Hai Technology Group, Elaine Wu, onto the stage and introduce you all Model V. Let us welcome Elaine Wu.
各位现场
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am responsible for UX engineer of Model V, Elaine Wu. Last year today, Hon Hai announced its cars. We continue with our milestones. This year, we have developed another crossover SUV and expanded to a new field, and that is small and medium-sized commercial vehicles. We have also completed the development of passenger cars and large commercial vehicles. Now, I would like to introduce you all as Model V. I assume when people see Model V, they would ask, why pickup? Now, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word pickup? Is it more like a back bucket full of heavy loads? Or that splash of water when crossing through the streams? Or simply just off-road toughness? Indeed, because of their excellent cargo capacity and off-road performances, pickups are usually very popular in North America and Oceania regions, where people value leisure activities and outdoor sports. The multi-purpose adaptability and excellent towing capability also made pickups a very popular tool in Southeast Asia. In other words, high performance and multifunction are the core advantages of pickups. Yet, pickups in the past may have given people the impression of being too bulky or rugged, which is far from comforts and modernity. But I would like to ask everyone to think again. What if pickup trucks were allowed to travel through the busy streets of urban cities, such as the Xinyi district where people commute to and from work, or travel through shopping districts? What would it look like? As a leading innovative technology industry, Hon Hai is here to redefine pickup trucks. To be more precise, this is an electric pickup truck, the very first of Hon Hai and the very first of Taiwan. We are here to redefine the electric pickup truck. So we hope the driving experience can allow our drivers to easily master their daily work life and return to nature freely on holidays. Next, let us together uncover the design details of Model V. There is a very small surprise hidden in the front of the car, which is the neat H-line LED headlights, making it safer for drivers to travel through the woods at night, and also at the same time super eye-catching in the city streets. Then, there is the traditional air dam for oil trucks. We also designed LED lighting and used different lighting colors to indicate the power level. It is very user-friendly because car owners do not have to start the vehicle while charging. The charging status can be seen from far away, making it very practical and user-friendly. Since there are no traditional gas truck engines, Model V also has more storage space in the front compartment, allowing drivers to load more belongings while maintaining structural safety. Now let us move on to the side of the car body. We can see the hidden door handle design. It allows the vehicle to be much neater and smoother, so the pickup may look even more elegant while running on the streets. Moving on to the rear side of the car, there is a user-friendly tailgate design. Have you ever had the experience of holding so many shopping bags and unable to open the trunk with your hands? Well, no need to worry about this with Model V. All you have to do is to kick the foot gently. The induction tailgate will automatically open. It is also equipped with a safety protection mechanism. So when the car detects any person or object within the range of a tailgate while closing, it will stop immediately to avoid further accidents. As a pickup truck, you must also mention its excellent cargo capacity. The truck bed is 1.5 meters long, 1.45 meters wide, and 50 centimeters high. It can be filled with 10 28-inch suitcases that people normally travel abroad with. So whether it's for daily shopping or traveling, the cargo space is definitely more than enough. Before we close the tailgate, let us pay one more attention to this detail. The truck bed is equipped with multiple power sockets, USB connectors, 110 volts and 12 volts power supplies. Imagine camping in deep woods or even resting by the riverbed of a valley. These power sockets in your truck bed will function like a multi-connector power bank. This design can meet the various power needs of any outdoor activity. From the front to the back of the car, the high-precision multi-sensors, including the road sign detector, widely used image lenses, excellent night vision systems, and also the small ultrasonic sensors, all allowed Model V to be one of a kind. Car owners can enjoy a digital driving experience with guaranteed security. Now, I must make a bold guess. Most of you here will probably not drive a pickup due to its bulky size appearance, correct? Well, would you please raise your hand if you think I'm right? Wow, I believe most people are so good at driving, better than me. But I started having much more confidence after approaching Model V. The sensing system of Model V really compensates for its exterior. So, even if you are a petite and experienced driver, or even if you're having challenges with small parking spaces or all these bumpy roads, you can still easily strive and steer, control your EV with one hand. In addition to its stylish exterior and user-friendly design, Model V also provides the same comfort as that of an SUV, setting a high standard for brand new user experience. Now, let's take a look at Model V, how it stands out from the crowd. First of all, Model V has a high-strength supporting structure. The towing capacity can be weighed to up to 1 ton, and a towing capacity of up to 3 tons bring the off-road performance of Model V to the fullest. Whether you want to take a yacht to enjoy the beautiful scenery of Sun Moon Lake or to pull a towed camper car to the woods, it is not a problem. Or even if you want to stay away from the city for a while, Model V is also your best choice. Model V really can take you across hills and streams. Now, people may ask, can't other pickups do the same? My answer to you is, sure, but Model V is better in performance and more comfortable to drive. Now, what about the cruising range? Don't worry. With a cruising range of 420 kilometers, you can drive directly to the highway from here, or you can even have time to catch the sunset in Kaohsiung's Shiziwan. Now you might ask, what about the battery once you reach your destination? No need to worry. Just before you finish your lunch, the charging efficiency of Model V will already charge and increase the power from 20% to 80%. So your trip will not even be affected. The creation of Model V really began from people's expectation for Hon Hai EVs. With Hon Hai's vertical integration capabilities, we will work together to devote ourselves to the standardization of critical components and software hardware services. We dive deep into the roots of Taiwan's tech advancement, look to the world, and move toward the goal of creating a sustainable technology future. We have subverted the public stereotypes of pickup trucks and incorporated them with a novel experience that conforms to modern trends. And basic needs, which is safety, performance, intelligence, comfort, and space. These are all the DNAs of Model V. Every design is to meet the various needs of each car owner to travel freely between cities. Back to the question that I asked in the beginning, why choose a pickup? I believe everyone has an answer now. But today, my answer to you is, it can travel through the urban wilderness, loads tons of fun, create lifelong memories, really giving our drivers the most comfortable and safest journey experience. This is my introduction of Model V produced by Hon Hai Technology Group, the very first electric pickup truck Model V in Taiwan. Thank you very much.
谢谢吴佳怡。而在看了 Model V 以及 Model B 之后，我们要
Thank you so much, Elaine. After the introduction of Model B and Model V, we are now moving on to a closing remark for our Hon Hai Technology Day. So once again, let us all please welcome Chairman of Hon Hai Technology Group, Mr. Yang Liu, onto the stage for a concluding remark. After listening to these presentations, I believe you all must be very excited right now and cannot wait to experience our super EVs. Well, don't worry, because later on we will make special arrangements for everyone here to experience our innovative products and EVs. You may not have noticed, but these two beautiful presenters just now, they are actually our designers of our prototype EVs, Model B and Model V. They're designers. I believe that their passion and commitment for our EVs are very visible, and they have, for a very long time, been hard at work with Hon Hai, envisioning Taiwan's EV industry and a whole new driving experience. I believe by now, after going through the whole presentation, everyone here must have a clearer understanding of Hon Hai's car manufacturing concepts. For a very long time, Hon Hai's vision is to help to provide a more complete solution for our loyal clients and also to become a global provider of services for smart living. In the past, we had started in manufacturing desktop PCs and mobile phones. Now we are leaping forward and making electric vehicles. For more than 25 years, Hon Hai assisted customers of PC brands in designing and manufacturing high-end computers. This really transformed the way we live. 15 years ago, we started turning customer input into innovation. To this day, Hon Hai has produced more than 2 billion smartphones. These products continue to change people's lives in areas of engagement, consumption, education, and the way we work and live. In the next 10 years, Hon Hai will redefine the automotive industries of CDMS and continuously strive to vertically integrate services in EV industries. For more than 40 years, the biggest value we have brought to our clients worldwide is Hon Hai has and always will be your most trusted and dependable partner. In the EV industry, Hon Hai will continuously also hold true to our purpose of designing services and also our promises of CDMS. It will and shall not be changed. At the same time, Foxtron Honghua will also be positioned in the role of ICT design and services. Our goal is to provide solutions in all kinds of innovative technologies to our partners, and also our vertical integration competitiveness. Hon Hai will continue to build cars, build good cars and beautiful cars. Ladies and
我
gentlemen,
们衷心的期盼
we sincerely
台湾
urge
能
and
够抓
hope
住这个100年
that
一
Hon
遇
Hai and Taiwan
难得的
together
电
can
动车
seize
商
this
机
once in a lifetime opportunity in the EV industry. Good luck to Hon Hai. Good luck MIH. Good luck Taiwan. Thank you all very much. Thank you so much, Chairman Liu. Thank you to all our distinguished guests and VIP guests for being with us here today. Our Hon Hai Technology Day is now coming to an end. Thank you all very much for being with us. Now you may all network for a little bit and please continue with all our exhibitions for today. Our Model B, Model E, and Model V will also be in the exhibition here today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach our staff members and personnel here at Hon Hai Technology Day. Also, a very short reminder, please also scan the QR code with your phone and please fill out the survey form for us. This will be very important because it will also assist and help us to build a better performance for our Technology Day next time. You may also have a chance to win our iPhone 14 Pro. So please don't forget to fill out the survey. Once again, thank you all for being here with us today. We appreciate your presence. Thank you very much.